You guys, Child Protective Services doesn't need a judge if they can get this one thing from you. You guys, what Child Protective Services doesn't want you to know. You guys, you're gonna wanna save this video. You're gonna wanna repost it. You're gonna wanna comment on it and send it to as many people as you possibly can. Why? Because I'm tired of fucking saying this. You guys, parents are losing their rights every single day. And it's not in the courtroom. It's at their kitchen table. CPS does not need a judge if they can get your signature voluntarily. Now listen to me very closely. This is not legal advice. I am not a lawyer. This is for educational purposes only. So pay attention. When CPS says to you, hey, just sign this safety plan so we don't have to go to court. What happened just then was you just entered into a contract admitting risk. You didn't go to a hearing. There was no evidence presented. There was no judge presiding over this. You just voluntarily admitted risk. Is that a big enough wake-up call for you? No? Okay, let's continue. When CPS says, hey, we just need you to voluntarily agree to services. Oh, that sounds harmless. I mean, that doesn't sound like it's gonna be harmful or bad in any way, right? Wrong. You just agreed that you need intervention with no signs or evidence of abuse or neglect. You just gave them jurisdiction over you and your family. You guys, Child Protective Services, they're experts at psychological warfare. Here's wake-up call number 3. Oh, can you just sign right here on this agreement so your children can actually just go to their grandparents' house? Just for a little while. You just fucking waived your right to a custody hearing. You just allowed placement of your children without judicial oversight, without any due process. And that placement can easily turn into long-term separation. And here's the biggest freaking trap out of them all. Just take this drug test to prove that you're clean. I don't think that you're doing drugs. I don't think that at all. We just need to clear the record. So if you can just take this drug test to prove that you're clean, everything's good. Wrong. You just consented to an investigation without any probable cause. Once they have your complete consent, they no longer have to prove anything. You guys, every signature that you do, it replaces due process. This is why it is so insanely crucial for you to know your rights. Child Protective Services is not about helping families or keeping children safe. It is about administrative control and trafficking your children for federal funding. The moment you fucking sign anything is the moment the power shifts. It all changes. The moment you sign those agreements, that's the moment you are no longer presumed as a fit parent. You are now navigating through a very evil and disgusting system that assumes risk instead of proving it. If CPS does not have a court order or a legal lawful warrant or any type of evidence of probable cause, they need your consent. And they are very good at getting it. You guys, please save this video because I am tired. I am tired of trying to explain this. It is so very crucial that you guys understand your rights. You are far more powerful than you think you are. Until that point, you give out consent. Everything revolves around consent, guys. Knowledge is power. Get some.